In this video, I'll do a full market update on Hashflow, and we will definitely and especially dive into the technicals. What's going on right now? There are a lot of moves, a very big bearish move just this hour, and we'll kind of do an in-depth analysis of what's going on and what you can expect as well of the Hashflow token or HFT. So let's get right into it. What we must do, and before we get into it, I do want to say that I hope you're all doing great. Obviously, I hope you're all having a great start of this week. I'm decent. It's not the best start, but it's also not the worst. Definitely not. But what we'll do to get into the analysis is we'll zoom into the 1 hour time frame. There's still, since the launch of HFT on most exchanges, there's not enough price action and not enough price action history to actually analyze on the 4 hour time frame, which is what I usually do. Usually I check out the daily and the 4 hour, but now zooming into the 1 hour time frame gives us a more complete view of what's going on. So first of all, I want to say Hashflow was launched in the Binance launch pool. A very interesting project, little bit of a high market cap maybe right off the bat, but I would definitely recommend you to check it out. It's basically a decentralized exchange where the liquidity pools are controlled by professional market makers. All right, so instead of like a protocol, like an automated market maker, they are governed a little bit more, which does provide some benefits, also has some risks, obviously. But today we were actually quite bullish, as you can see, and altogether what you can see is that ever since Monday the 21st, so about a week ago, I actually started some bullish momentum from this level here at 45 and 40 cents, which is the level I thought we would drop down to. Found support at first, got some spikes, but now it really looked like we were getting some sort of a sustained uptrend. But then what we did today, and it's actually very interesting what's happening with HFT right now, because we can really go both ways. We can either get a big drop again in the upcoming days, or we can actually continue this bullish momentum all the way up to 60 cents. The thing is, and when I did this analysis, we were actually falling down very hard all the way down to this 50.5 cents level, and we already reacted to that positively. But you can see on like in 5 minutes we dropped down by that much. It's really a volatile crypto at this point of time. The thing is, and the most important thing is that I thought we would already drop down to that level between 50 cents and 50.5 cents, or let's say 51 and 50 cents is our most important level, because what's happening right now is we found resistance at 56 cents, which is a very strong resistance level. We found resistance there before yesterday, found resistance there again today. So we have dropped down to 51 and 50 cents. If we can actually hold that, so stay on top of it, and break above 54 cents once more, then I think we can get a higher high than 56 cents, which has provided us resistance over the last 2 days. Then I think we can get up to 58 and 60 cents. But breaking above 54 cents might be harder than you might imagine, because right now, for example, the fundamentals in the market are far from bullish, very far from ideal. All right, so even though this all looks amazing, we first want to see that we can actually break above that, but because what could also happen is that we will find support here at 50 cents, but yeah, that we can stay on top of it, but that we do not break above 54 cents. And if that doesn't happen for like 3 or 4 days, what's going to happen is you lose momentum, you'll drop down to 48.5 cents, you'll take a break retest, and you start dropping down to 46 and 45 cents again. So it's definitely not all positivity for Hashflow. We really need to do some things, but if we can actually get that, we can actually continue this bullish momentum we had or we have going on, and we can make some new highs, at least in this particular uptrend. So it's going to be interesting. I will definitely provide some updates along the way, but for now, take care. Have a great week in advance. Subscribe if you want more Hashflow updates, but for now, take care and bye.